Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show some different type of trading. At a time 6 pairs. Right now I'm choosing 6 pairs, and I already had placed a trade GBP USD put. Okay, let's check it for another pair. Okay, AUD CAD, analyzing the market. I just analyze the market. AUD CAD and USD CAD. Okay, it's showing 2 hours. I just reset the pairs after finishing this candle GBP USD, and GBP JPY showing 10 minutes. It's not a right pair. Okay, I reset the pairs again. Okay, Euro USD. I just every time I choose the first 6 pairs, USD JPY and Euro NZD, and one more NZD USD, and USD CHF. I think, yeah, sure, USD CHF and Euro USD. There is an opportunity to take a call. I just want to analyze NZD USD. Okay, and NZD USD I place a call here, and Euro JPY I place a put. USD JPY I have not placed a trade, and NZD USD I place a call, and USD JPY I place a put. Okay, Euro NZD I place put. Okay, right now the 3 pairs are running. Okay, after finishing this I will take another 2 pairs. Okay, USD NZD good going, and USD JPY also good going, and NZD USD, sorry, Euro NZD is good going, and NZD USD is some doubt. There is no movement at the situation. Okay, Euro NZD and USD JPY is right, prediction right, and Euro USD. Just wait for a second. Analyze the market. Okay. Good. Just check any opportunity. I will place a call here. Okay, I place call, and Euro USD CHF. Okay, it's already a strong buyers entered in this candle. If any opportunity, I place a put. Okay, I place a put here. Okay, nice momentum, and USD CHF, very good momentum to right place a put there. And Euro USD is also good going. Till now I placed 6 trades, and I just lost only 1 trade. That one is NZD USD. Okay, 20 more seconds. Okay, there is a strong momentum. The buyers are again entered, but anyway, I know I won these 2 trades very strongly, I believe. Okay, Till now I placed 6 trades, and ZUSD only I lost there. Okay, once again I try this, analyze this market, and here is an opportunity, a call. Right, okay, nice rejection from buyers, that's why I place a call here. Still there is a gap, but I placed very early. I think I just wait for this candle to close, but I place a call before candle closing. Okay, I think there is a problem. It's not moving up. Okay, I lost this time also. Okay, till now I placed 6 trades. Okay, wait for. If you like my videos, please like and share my videos. There is no opportunity. I will just analyze again. I lost a trade. There is a strong movement, strong buyer entry. Okay, GBP/USD. Let's see how I trade. Okay, GBP/USD. Okay, there is a resistance level, and the market went to resistance level, and I place a put here. I want this trade. Here is the resistance level. Previous candle also showing sellers pressure, and strong sellers entered in this candle. Okay, here also support before the strong bearish momentum and strong candle. Strong candle always reverse the market, I believe that. Okay, here is the resistance level again. Here is the wick. Here is the resistance level. This candle shows strong. These two candles shows a strong weak buyer's entry, and I place put. Here is the same scenario, resistance level. After strong resistance level, I place a put here also, and here and here, and I place a put, and I want this trade. Okay, USD/CHF, here also a strong resistance level, and this candle is strong resistance level. This candle is very strong, and I saw a rejection from sellers, and that's why I place a put there. And USD, just once again analyze this market, and okay, I won't give up this trade also. Okay, here is the resistance, and I place a put. Okay, last second I place a put, and there is a strong buyer's entry. Anyway, it may go below my trend line. Okay, there is a strong seller's entry every time. I believe it may go below my entry. Last second I placed this trade. I want this trade also. Okay, if you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel. If anybody want to learn online classes, please contact on my Telegram channel. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind. This is my trading history. Okay, till now today I placed trades and all, and this is my today's trading history. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share my videos too. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind. Bye bye.